Hey, are you having trouble managing FAQs across your WP Travel Engine trips? No built-in frequently asked questions system, questions scattered across every trip, and updating them one by one is a total nightmare. WP Travel Engine's Single Trip FAQs gives you global FAQs, per trip categories, and one clean front end. Head to WP Travel Engine settings, navigate to Single Trips, then FAQs, and click the Add Frequently Asked Questions button to start creating your global reusable questions. Here you can see all your globally created FAQs organized by category and ready to be pulled into any trip whenever you need them. Inside any single trip, use the Frequently Asked Questions tab to add trip-specific questions or custom categories. Use the Add Frequently Asked Questions in Bulk button to pull your global FAQs directly into this trip. Select the ones you need, hit Save, and they're instantly added. On the front end, travelers see a clean, organized, frequently asked questions section right on the trip page with categories, expandable answers, and a polished layout. Stop rewriting the same FAQs for every trip. Get Single Trip FAQs for WP Travel Engine today.